All right. Well, I've got the maiden out of the way. It flies good. So I decided to start doing just a little bit of weathering, some subtle coloring in on the panel lines, some oil stains around the cowl. I installed guns and the blast pattern that goes around the wing from the guns firing. I did 6 guns because this will eventually turn into Jefferson DeBlanc's plane. He flew a F4F with 6 guns. I'll start doing decals for that later on. But I just kind of want to do some slight weathering and a little bit of oil stains, and then I also installed the sound card. So here's a sample of that. All right, next time around, I'll have a video of it in flight.